Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HYLN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been tracking this analysis on a very routine basis, and after today's price movement, certainly some updates need to be made. But again, the bearishness continues, and both these updates really illustrate the fact that the bears are still in full control. And both updates are really just adjustments relative to these annotations that I already have up here. And the question just becomes, all right, well, what direction are these adjustments needing to be made? And the first adjustment that needs to be done is just adjusting this level of support, now that we have more data, to that area right there at 22.35. Now, not to insult your intelligence, but you notice that I need to adjust that level of support in the downwards direction. Not exactly a sign of bullishness at all. That would definitely be a sign of bearishness, that the price has now put in a newer low, and therefore that's what's dropped down the support level that much more. So that's the first adjustment. But then just, technically speaking, going forward from the charting angle of things, 22.30 would now be that key level of support that certainly you ideally want to see hold strong moving forward. And then on the flip side, now that we have more data, again, going to go ahead and adjust this area of resistance down to that level right here at the $24 mark, which again, as you saw, that level and that line need to be adjusted in the downwards direction. And when levels of resistance also need to be adjusted in the downwards direction, that does imply lower highs, and lower highs is not what you want to see, assuming you are bullish. So downtrend continues. Near-term bounce, if there is any sort of a bounce back to the upside, is going to be that $24 mark. If the price can push up through 24, next key level of resistance after that would be that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. That's currently valued just right around, just slightly below that $25 mark. But one hurdle at a time, and again, that first key hurdle is going to be right there at the $24 mark. And then again, as far as supports are concerned, have that level down there at 22.30. And if that level can't quite hold up, the next level after that would be that secondary green line, which I've talked about in past videos, which sits right around the 21.50-ish mark, give or take a little bit. But yeah, overall, the downtrend continues. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.